Meta AI is a leading force in the world of technology. As a division of Meta Platforms Inc., it focuses on artificial intelligence, or AI. Meta AI aims to revolutionize how we interact with technology. It does this by integrating advanced AI into Meta's products, which include Facebook, Instagram, and the Metaverse. Meta AI significantly impacts the tech industry, changing how we experience digital interactions. From social media to messaging apps, AI is enhancing user experiences. Meta AI is setting new standards for the industry, showing how technology can improve our digital lives. Meta AI is committed to advancing AI research. The team at Meta AI is making breakthroughs in several areas, including natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Meta AI believes in open research, which allows for shared learning and progress in the AI community. Meta AI has several primary goals: to push the boundaries of AI, to create new and innovative product experiences, and to develop solutions for global challenges. Collaboration is key for Meta AI as it actively promotes openness in AI research. Meta AI is at the forefront of developing cutting-edge technologies. One key area is conversational AI. Meta AI has developed advanced chatbots that use AI models like Llama 3 to provide impressive responses. These chatbots offer personalized and efficient interactions across various platforms. This technology powers chat experiences on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Image generation is another area where Meta AI excels. Their AI-powered tools are changing how we create visuals. These tools can generate graphics for social media and other platforms. Meta AI is also integrating AI into virtual and augmented reality. Their AI functionalities enhance experiences in Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and Quest VR headsets. Meta AI's technologies have applications in various industries. In healthcare, AI is improving patient engagement and diagnosis, and it is aiding in drug discovery. In education, Meta AI is personalizing learning experiences, tailoring educational content to individual needs. The gaming industry also benefits from Meta AI's advancements, using AI to create more realistic and immersive gaming experiences. AI-powered characters and gameplay are changing how we interact with virtual worlds. Meta AI's technology is making a real-world impact across various sectors. Meta AI is transforming the landscape of social media and the metaverse. By leveraging advanced AI technologies, Meta AI enhances user experiences on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It tailors content to individual preferences, making interactions more engaging and personalized. In the metaverse, Meta AI is creating immersive virtual environments. These environments are powered by sophisticated AI algorithms that enable lifelike interactions and realistic simulations. Meta AI's contributions are redefining how we connect, socialize, and explore digital spaces. Meta AI is deeply committed to ethical considerations in AI development. The team prioritizes transparency, fairness, and accountability in their AI systems. They actively work to mitigate biases and ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly. Looking to the future, Meta AI envisions a world where AI contributes positively to society. They aim to develop AI that not only advances technology but also addresses global challenges. Meta AI's future vision includes creating AI that enhances human capabilities and fosters a better, more connected world.